Now whoever made this table, oh wow, whoever made this table should make more tables like this.
What's up guys, this is Tampatec and I'm going to show you how to update and install the latest pinball tables. You want to go ahead and go to settings, and then you want to go over to version and make sure you're on the latest version. This is going to be available on Friday. Check your email that's linked to your account for all the extra information regarding this latest update and tables. So let's go ahead, and after you update, you want to of course sign in to your account, go to App Store X and go to the second page and go ahead and hit the home button and select App Store, link to device. There we go. And next, let's go ahead and put in the redeem code. It's a one-time use only code. All right, there we go. You have to put dashes in. So make sure you put the dashes in the code. All right, let's go ahead and install it. So you're gonna need 349 megabytes, and currently I have 26 gigs available on my flash drive X. So you need to create a flash drive X, and I'm going to show you how to do that. And then when you go over settings, then you scroll over to the third page, I believe, second page, and then click on flash drive X, and you want to plug in a USB drive right in there, and then you want to go ahead and format and mount it, which is easy to do. So once you format and mount it, then you're good to go. And then every time you turn on your pinball machine, it will auto mount, and once it auto mounts, all the tables will load within probably like the 10 to 15 seconds it takes to load all the tables from your USB drive to the pinball machine. All right, and then go ahead and hit select. All right, and then select again and install. All right, it's going to hang up around 100% for about a minute or two, but just let it install fully. And then once you do that, I'm going to go ahead and hit the back button, and then you can go ahead and try out the tables. So once you install it, you'll have a green check mark, and you'll be able to play those tables. All right, let's try out these games. All right, let's try the first one, Dirtiest. There's 4 tables altogether. Let's start this one. Looks like Zachariah made these tables, which is good because their tables are pretty good. My favorite tables, DLC, is the deluxe tables by far. And Spooky is really good, and Robots Deluxe, one of my favorites. All right. So if you want to adjust the brightness, press this button right here. I took the glass off so you guys can see better. And then if you want to add players, you hit this button right here. And of course, start, exit is this one. And then this should work right here. Oh yeah, hit start. There we go. Alright, so that works really well. See, the accelerometer works. Alright, let's try it out. See if the feedback works on the exciters. Oh, let me show you the back glass too. I mean, nothing too exciting. It does flash, but nothing too exciting going on. So I'm going to make all the focus on the playfield. Alright, here we go. Got the camera in front. Got the camera in front of me, so it's going to be hard to play. Now, I'm not familiar with the game Dirtiest. These are all retro games back in the 80s and 90s, I believe. Or I think even the 70s. And they remade these into virtual pinball tables. Let's try front line. So yeah, I think the best, if you're going to get any DLC tables,
I would get deluxe tables from Zachariah. They're really good. I'm really hoping that Stern makes the DLC for Atgames Pinball. We'll see. And then Williams, that would be like the best of the best. I would definitely buy the Williams tables. Let's check out these. I'm just happy to just get any DLCs. Oh, I like the retro sounds. I'm a big fan of those retro sounds right there. Nice throwback. Touch. Alright, so there's flippers above. There's 4 flippers altogether. And you have to hit the targets, looks like. There we go. Got a couple more. I do like the retro sounds. Ah! Death save! Nope. Doesn't work in this game. Alright, so let's go to the next one, which is, I believe, right here.
Rastan Saga.
Alright. Yeah, everything seems to be working. Plunger works pretty good. Ah, couldn't nudge that one out. This one plays alright. Nothing too exciting going on. I'm a big fan of drop targets, but they need a little bit something else to this game. Was this a real pinball machine? Last one, Space Invaders. Feeling hopeful with this one. Let's try this one out. And there's more coming your way. So these are going to be released Friday, and then there's more later on in the year. There's going to be more DLCs, which is pretty exciting. Right. Hit start.
We are the masters of Earth. Surrender to us or be destroyed.
Alright, that's interesting. So this is this has some voice call outs.
Nothing too exciting on the back glass though. Looks like it says 5 lives. The DMD. And you got some animations here and here. So
this one actually looks a little bit more interesting. Alright. Oh, there's a bunch of flippers. Oh, there's 4 flippers. Oh, whoa, what the heck? What is going on here? There's something on the playfield. Animations. Oh! Oh, this is fun. Smart design. Oh! Oh, it has a health meter. Oh, the rocket shot him. Cool. Oh, this is my favorite. This is, oh, sweet. I love it. Oh, such a smart design. Whoever made this table, oh wow. Whoever made this table should make more tables like this. Put those guys in charge, whoever made this table. I love it. This is like the best pinball table on Legends Pinball, by far. Wow. This is very cool. Alright, so it looks like it says rotate spinner 50 times to activate multi-ball. Hit spot targets to launch rockets. Hit all the spot targets to get more hit points next time. Alright, so you gotta hit the targets. And then you hit the spinner for multi-ball. I love the animation. Wow. Okay, this deserves extra playtime. I love the sound effects too. It sounds just like Space Invaders. Oh look, they're frozen. That's interesting. I love the health meters. Very cool. The physics are really good. Oh, what happened? I had 4 more lives.
No, what the heck? The game just died. I had 4 more lives. What's going on? I wanted to play more. Alright, the reason why the game stopped playing was because when they attack your base, then you lose the game once that base is defeated. Now, I wish they had a life meter or some way to know how much life is left on that base, because I just thought the game was glitched out and just died. So hopefully they'll add a patch so you can see the life meter on the base so you know what's going on. If you found this video informative, give me a big thumbs up. If you know anyone that's into gaming or pinball, go ahead and click on the share button below, share this video to them. Subscribe and hit that bell notification to stay updated on the latest tech videos.